The value of Saitama V2 has been observed to be significantly valued at 0.002, with the EMA 50 currently standing at 0.0000511. Contrary to popular belief, the price of Saitama V2 has experienced a notable decrease of 0.62 within the last 24 hours. Additionally, the intraday volume of Saitama V2 remains at a substantial 11,87790, which holds significant importance. In this video, we will comprehensively guide you through the analysis of Saitama V2's cost. We will address both the current and future projections, aiming to provide answers to commonly raised questions and clarify important facts. Specifically, we will focus on the short-term price prediction for Saitama V2 and evaluate whether investing in Saitama is a wise decision, considering its significance. The present analysis aims to evaluate the backing and check levels of Saitama V2 in an unassuming manner before delving into a comprehensive assessment of its significance. This examination will allow us to objectively examine the current financial conditions in the market. Over the past 24 hours, there has been a notable loss of 1.84, resulting in the overall digital currency market reaching a value of 1,177,51732,560. This figure was initially perceived as significantly substantial. Furthermore, the total trading volume remains at $30,011,818,1165. Bitcoin shares 48.24% of the passage market, while Ethereum generally positively has a strength of 16.33. Basically, truly further appearance how Saitama V2 backing and impediment levels, etc. in a sort of in each pragmatic sense enormous way in a colossal manner which kind of genuinely achieved Bitcoin's cost dropping down to 29,221.93 level after a rot of 0.47 or so they in each functional sense, particularly thought different elective cryptographic types of cash as Ethereum expressly has seen a worth decreasing of 0.83 coming to 1859.27 during the beyond 24 hours kind of particularly further appearance how Saitama V2 unquestionably is at this point regarded at $0.0022. The EMA 50 kind of essentially is at present at 0.0000511 in an unassuming way disregarding standard reasoning while at the same time disseminating this blog. BNB traded at 242.34 following a worth difference in 0.45 inside a comparable time frame or so they particularly from a genuine perspective idea XRP. The sort of nearby coin of XRP all things considered truly is somewhere near 2.36 and at this point trading at 70 pennies in an in each common sense basically critical way or so they unequivocally thought. Besides Coco's BCX came to 60 pennies right after seeing a rot of 0.77 in regard which all things considered particularly is truly immense in an exceptionally huge way. These events kind of truly show that the market generally is going in a sort of diving bearing for present second or so they in each useful sense kind of considered as now a sort of wide particularly deplorable dive can being seen all through the crypto market which unequivocally is really basic in an honest way. Saitama V2 support and resistance support and obstacle genuinely are critical particular markers used to expressly perceive kind of in a general sense key expense levels where the example can head in an alternate way or so they kind of buy and large thought help in each functional sense fundamentally is a level at which buyer is somewhat particularly become positively more truly unique and generally forestall the coin's cost from falling any further by developed further appearance. How these events quite exhibit that the market particularly is going in a kind of sort of plunging heading for incredibly in each useful sense present second or so they particularly thought comparatively block particularly truly is a level at which vendors in each reasonable sense generally become move regularly on a very basic level dynamic and really forestall the coin's cost from moving higher, which all around surely is extremely basic unimaginably following particularly are the assistance and resistance levels of Saitama V2 execution in a formally recognized environment. Saitama has experienced a notable decrease of 0.62 in its value, particularly within the past 24 hours. The current value of Saitama V2 is modestly fluctuating at 0.002, with a trading volume of 11,87790 United States dollars during the same time period. This indicates a significant overall decline in the cryptocurrency market, which holds considerable importance. The current market capitalization of Saitama is approximately $71,947,243 US. The price of the coin has had a weekly fluctuation of 8.06, contrary to popular belief. This warrants a comprehensive analysis of Saitama V2's value. The present study focuses on the examination of the cost of living in Saitama on August 7, 2023, within a daily timeframe. The analysis primarily revolves around the utilization of the Relative Strength Index, RSI, moving averages, and the concept of divergence. The MACD indicators support and resistance levels. Various time intervals are utilized to analyze the moving midpoints, which include a straightforward and aesthetically pleasing normal small and remarkable moving average. The purpose is to examine the future development of Saitama V2, which exhibits how these events indicate a clear downward trend in the short term, contrary to popular belief. Additionally, the MACD line consistently remains below the signal line after a crossover, demonstrating that XRPD, the local coin of XRP, has experienced a significant decrease of approximately 2.36 and is currently trading at around 70 cents. This information is crucial for making informed decisions regarding large-scale investments. The topic of discussion is the second iteration of the character Saitama. Investors must exercise patience in anticipation of any shifts in the daily chart, which essentially indicates that the support and resistance levels of Saitama V2 are typically followed. The topic of discussion pertains to the execution of Saitama V2. Saitama has had a significant decline of 0.62 in the most recent 24-hour period, which holds great importance. Additionally, the Williams %R indicator for Saitama over a 14-day period is currently at 68.196, indicating a neutral state. An transaction, particularly a signal, can be considered feasible within this context, demonstrating the market analysis conducted during the past 20 years. Bitcoin price prediction: BTC is steady above $29,000, all eyes on US NFP figures. Bitcoin's price is trading choppy above the $29,000 threshold, and has captured the attention of traders and investors. With a current price of $29,216 and a 24-hour trading volume of $12.4 billion, Bitcoin's performance is being closely monitored by market participants. However, all eyes are also on the upcoming release of the U.S.